Welcome back. The cable war in Margao is now in the open. Two cable operators have now charged Citi cable network operator Richard Da Costa. They have denied allegations leveled on them and have accused Richard of assaulting them. Cable operators Stanley Fernandez and Damia Gomes have demanded justice.
Kolva police station आयलो आणि तेणे मीडिया मुखार रावन फॉल्स एलिगेशन दिला. तेणे सांगू स्टेट केला की आपण सुरमायल आमचे
किती म्हण सांगले
एलिगेशन दिला केबल काढू जाय मग आमचे ॲक्शन केलं आमचे
जे केबल काढत असून तो लो म्हणा
पण त्याचा केबल बी कट झालं
ना केबल हाऊसिंग गेला तर पोलीस टीव्ही चोयतालो भितर ते केबल चालू आसलो तेचा.
Few days back, Citi cable network operator Richard Da Costa had complained that his TV cable line was being cut by two suspects in and around Margao. The operator had filed a complaint with the Kolva police. He claims of having caught the suspect duo red-handed, but both ran away from the spot. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
The issue of illegal structures along the Bayana coast has taken another turn. The residents claim they pay house tax and have legal electricity and water connection from Margao municipality. But the authorities claim the hutments as illegal. South Goa collector visited and inspected the site. Deputy collector had issued eviction notices to 47 households, but without any proper rehabilitation plan.
Deputy Collector of Margao had issued eviction notices to 47 illegal structures along Baina Beach. But the residents have raised a serious question. Where should they reside if they have to leave their hutments? Authorities have no rehabilitation plan for them.
रेवाचेर घर म्हणतात ते पहिले सांगून आमका पहिले इतले दीस सांगून आता सडनली येऊन ते काढता म्हणल्यार आम्ही खंय वचपाचे ते चिंतपाक लागला आणि सडनली एक महिन्या खातीर ते घर दिता म्हणटा आणि एक महिने जाल्यार ते खंय वचपाचे तेच हांव विचारता सरकाराक कितें करता म्हणून ते.
आय एम कन्सर्न अबाउट मॉन्सून सी लेवल वाढला असा लारा व्हडले येतात आणि जे करून तर तिथे उडून गेलेले त्यांचे लोक एखादे तातूंतले कित्याक बळी पडपाक शकता सो तांची लायफ आनी प्रॉपर्टी ही जी आसा ताजेर म्हजो चड भर आसा.
The residents claimed that the hutments are not illegal.
आमका टॅक्स घराचे टॅक्स आणि लायटाचे कनेक्शन दिना उदकाचे कनेक्शन दिले हाऊस टॅक्स दिले आमका आणि सगळ्या हे डॉक्युमेंट असताना आमका कितें दिना जाल्यार ते कितें जाता.
When media questioned collector, this was his say.
पयली लायफ हाजी सेफ्टी पयली आसता जे डॉक्युमेंट कितें आसा कशें आसात तेजी इन्क्वायरी मागीर जातली पूण पयली कितें आसा की तांचे लायफ आनी सेफ्टी हे इम्पॉर्टंट आसा.
तुमकां खंय शिफ्ट करतले अशें कितें तुमकां
ना ते आमचे चालू आसा खंय कितें शिफ्ट करतले कशें आसा तें.
Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Argentina will hold an edge over the Netherlands in the second semi-finals of FIFA World Cup in the wee hours of Thursday. The South Americans will find it relatively easy to adapt to the conditions, while the Europeans may struggle with the heat. Moreover, a big number of Argentine fans at the stadium will make it an encouraging atmosphere for their players. However, the Dutch will not be an easy opposition as they have the attack that can hurt Argentina. The matchup has the makings of a World Cup classic. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.